Manipur Health Minister L. Jayantakumar today stated that a COVID-dedicated hospital has been set up at Unako School at Maitram in Imphal, which will be functional shortly. Minister added that IIT Manipuri is also set to start as a quarantine center for drug users, while Government Blind School at Takil will be used as quarantine center for transgenders. Jayantakumar was attending a relief material distribution program organized by Salai Apunba Nupi Lamjingloop Sanulal Singjamai in Imphal for the inmates of Imphal College Quarantine Center. Coronavirus positive cases in India have climbed to 2,26,770 as the country recorded nearly 10,000 fresh COVID-19 infections in the past 24 hours. As per reports, beginning yesterday, India reported as many as 9,851 fresh coronavirus cases in a day. This is the highest ever single-day spike reported in a day in India. A Shramik special train with 737 returnees from Mumbai arrived at Ziribam yesterday. The returnees, 452 females, 265 males and 20 children, reached the Ziribam railway station in 42 buses from Guwahati railway station due to the sinkage of railway track section from Lumding to Badarpur railway station in Assam. Marking the World Environment Day 2020, Public Works Department Bishnupur and Divisional Forest Officer Bishnupur planted saplings at Mini Secretariat Complex Bishnupur today. Works Minister T.H. Biswajit, PDA Chairman T. Robindro, Manipur Pollution Control Board Chairman L. Radhakishore, Deputy Commissioner Bishnupur Nita Arambam and other top officials attended the observance. United Youth Club UYC Wahingkuman today observed the World Environment Day 2020 at Wahingkuman under Nambol. The event was held on the theme Celebrate Biodiversity with support from Integrated Watershed Management Program IWMP NGO 4th Phase. Bharatiya Janata Party Thangmaiban Mandal on World Environment Day 2020 planted several saplings at Langol Tarung village today. Thangmaiban Mandal also celebrated completion of 1 year of Modi government. Ziribam district also observed World Environment Day on the theme Celebrate Biodiversity. The function was organized by Divisional Forest Officer, Ziribam Forest Division, Uchathol. The participants planted several tree saplings to mark the day. Troops of 20th Assam Rifles arrested one drug peddler, a constable at CID Crime Branch, Manipur, along with 470 grams of brown sugar at Khudeng Thabi checkpost along Imphal Mori Road yesterday. The arrested has been identified as Constable Muhammad Amir Hussain, aged 35 years, son of late Muhammad Fayaz Ahmed from Lilong Thong, Ahanbi, under Thopal district. The Manipur government, in its effort to ensure that people of the state are provided with adequate public distribution system items, especially rice and whole grains, continues lifting and distribution of rice allocated for the month of June, according to a press release from the Directorate of Information and Public Relations, DIPR, Imphal. Manipur has reported 124 COVID-19 cases as of today. Of this, active cases are 86 and 38 have been cured and discharged. Meanwhile, Assam's COVID-19 tally has reached 2,115. Nagaland has registered 14 more COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. These are among 235 samples tested of those who have recently returned from Chennai, according to media reports. With this, the total number of COVID-19 positive cases in the state went up to 94. Notably, all the cases are active without a single recovery till date. Mizoram today registered 5 new COVID-19 cases, taking the total tally to 22 with 21 active cases. As per media reports, the new positive cases were among the 340 samples tested yesterday. Among them, 4 are inpatients of Zoram Medical College, CMC, while the 5th one is under institutional quarantine at Lunglei. Mizoram's apex student body, the Mizo Zirlai Pol (MZP), has strongly opposed to a proposal to settle the displaced Bru people in Mizo-inhabited villages in Tripura North's Sampui Hills. As per media reports, a statement issued by the students' body said it has been proposed to settle the Bru people in 3 areas near Mizo-inhabited areas in Tripura, which according to the MZP violates the historic agreement signed on 16 January last to amicably settle a 2-decade-old Bru imbroglio. China has backed down on a ban on flights by US airlines after President Donald Trump's administration retaliated by threatening to block carriers from that country flying into America. As per reports, Beijing announced the decision yesterday to allow American airlines to operate limited flights to the country after Washington said it would bar Chinese airlines from flying into the US from 16 June.